What is up, bass fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. I've got about 2.5, 3 hours to fish before I gotta go pick up Miss Ladybug from school. So I'm gonna go out, throw a tube around, maybe do a little cranking and right away, see if we can get a crankbait fish or two. And did pretty good over the weekend in a tournament on a tube, and I'm still in tube mode. So we're gonna go see if these bass want a tube out here and see if we can come up with something. And then I heard the crappie are spawning out here, so I'm gonna go pick up Miss Ladybug and see if we can catch some crappies. So stay tuned. Big fish.
Bye, Felicia.
Well, this is kind of a crappy start to the morning. Foul hooked a 30-pound buffalo carp, which I thought we'd be about done with that. And no other fish. Ooh, he'll make a nice Sam match. Yeah, buddy. A couple more of them, we'll have a meal. There we go. Ain't no slaunch donkey, but it sure feels good. Nice little tube fish. First bass of the day, a little squirter. See, bud? We call this little cove No Bass Bay. I've never caught a bass in there. One of these days. Oh! No! There goes my tube, my tungsten. Well, just caught one on a tube. About 5 or 6 casts later, I lost a big one, broke off. So, tied a new one on. Just Texas rig and a tube. Cinnamon purple, I think this is called. I'm going to use a little lead weight, a little water gremlin, cheaper to lose. So, I'm not fishing a tournament today, so no sense in wasting all my tungsten. Let's get back to fishing. There we go, another tube fish. Oh, missed that one. Gee dang it. Well, this isn't exactly working out this morning. Landed one bass, one crappie, snagged another 30-pound buffalo carp in the tail. Broke off on a big bass, missed another one. I had him hooked to come out. So, got to pick Miss Laney up from school in about an hour. So I'm going to go back here where I caught that one and missed the big one. Pitch tube a little bit more, and then I'm going to go pick up Miss Laney bug. We're either going to come back out here or hit another lake about 40 minutes from home for a few hours, maybe try to catch some bluegills with Miss Laney in the boat. She's been anxious to get out and catch some fish. Not just fish, she wants to catch a fish. So we'll see what's up. So stay tuned. Folks, there's a nice bass. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. 2-pounder, 2.5. See you, bud. Well, we just ran out of time, so we're gonna go into town, get a little bite to eat, pick up Miss Laney, and come back out and see if we can punch a few schlaunches in the face, maybe catch a couple crappies, have ourselves a little fish fry tonight. Stay tuned. Welcome back, folks. Luke Racer, Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. So we're running a little short on time, so I put the boat back in the shop. I got a couple special guests here. I got Jay Cerrone and Cheese and Miss Laney Bug. What are we gonna catch? Hey, what are we doing?
Fishing.
What are we fishing for?
Crappies.
Probably not crappies here. Maybe walleye, bass, suckers, catfish. Stay tuned, folks. Something had it. Probably took his worm.
Why this took the worm, right?
We'll wait and find out. Bullhead. Really? A bullhead?
Can I put it in the thing? The water thing? Can I hold it?
No, it's got stingers that'll sting you.
There.
Ooh, something tried to eat him.
Can I see?
Mr. Bullhead.
Where's the stingers?
Little worm stealer. See you, Mr. Bullhead.
Why didn't you say Mr. Bullhead?
Because he's a bullfish. Grab my net. Grab my net out of the back of the truck.
What?
Grab my net.
Where's the net?
In the back of the truck. Hurry up. Hurry up. It's a huge fish. Can you climb up there and get it? Carp. Oh, yeah.
Whoa! James, come here!
Don't pull too hard. Oh, don't pull.
Whoa!
All right, let me get him in. Okay. Hurry up. Get it in there. All right, good job. Woo, Laney with the net. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Now, unlike the ones I've been catching at the lake that I've been snagging in the back and the tail, this one actually bit my neck crawler. It's a big one. I don't know what it had, 10 pounds, 8 pounds, I don't know. All right, ready? Laney, here we go. Bye, Mr. Carp. Oh, spit it out. It was a bigger catfish. Dang it, I shouldn't have horsed him.
And then I put my hand with that.
See Mr. Crappie in there? Mr. Crappie's gonna end up in a sandwich. That was the only fish we caught to eat. We just lost a catfish. Caught a bullhead and a big carp out here, so we're gonna go home and cook up Mr. Crappie, and then we're gonna eat him. Welcome back, folks. So we're all done fishing. We ended up catching a bullhead, another big carp, lost a catfish, and some bass that we caught this morning, and Mr. Crappie. Mr. Crappie, who is now on my dinner plate. Check that out. This is a little trick my uncle taught me when we were walleye fishing in Canada. So this is a over easy egg, one walleye, some bread, and some tartar sauce. Here we go, a moment of truth. Luke Reeser, Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. A little catch and cook. It's delicious. Can't beat a crappie fillet. Ooh. I'm going to show a picture now. 3.48 that I caught in my tournament. That was our kicker fish. That is super, super good. That's all I got for today, folks. Luke Reeser signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.